To allow calls from a specific contact when Do Not Disturb is active on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification, tap Do Not Disturb. Under allow during Do Not Disturb section, tap calls and messages. Under allow during Do Not Disturb section, tap add contacts. Select the desired contact you like to add to the list. Tap done button. By adding a contact to this list, your phone will allow calls from that contact while the Do Not Disturb mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.